Here is your Dogecoin news for the day. Dogecoin is now at a critical crossroads. Where does Dogecoin's price go in the next couple weeks? Let's talk about it right here on the channel. Welcome back. I'm Mark. Thanks for tuning in to TCM. If you have not done so, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe right down below. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Give me a couple minutes of your time, and I'll get you on your way. All right, but let's look into the market as we dive into the bubbles. You can see it's a green day, all right? And not just Dogecoin, but a lot of crypto meme coins are up. Dogecoin is up 4.1%, currently trading at a $59.11 billion market cap. It's been a great year, right? We've 4X'd in the last 365 days, still trading above 40 cents, just barely, but that's where we look for Dogecoin to make their next move. And all bets are off once we get into this crypto rally that I think is going to come very shortly after Donald Trump assumes office once again in the early part of 2025, okay? But let's get into the numbers. I do want to share with you guys today my channel sponsor. This is BYDFI, all right? If you do any futures trading, spot trading, obviously, use BYDFI. That's the best thing I could tell you right now because of the fact that they have the hottest promotion in crypto right now, okay? 10% cash back right in your account, up to $1,000. If you deposit 10 grand, you get $1,000 cash back, and who doesn't like free money to put into the market right now? So make sure you check out the terms and conditions and the KYC policy. Make sure it's right for you. There are zero spot trading fees, as well as you're able to trade perpetuals on this exchange as well. So if you want to get signed up with BYDFI, links down below. Enjoy the sign-up bonus, and make sure to do your own research and due diligence before trading any crypto with this exchange, okay? But back into the crossroads, where could Dogecoin's price go in the next few weeks? Now, this is after we've had a little bit of a bearish correction coming Tuesday in the market where Dogecoin dropped as low as 36 cents. And now we are back at above the 40 cents level after, being at a much higher level at 43.7 on Monday's session. Now, as Dogecoin has not really recovered fully, a 5% surge within the last 24 hours is something that we have had. As I said, Dogecoin is now up above 40 cents. So the biggest question is the next coming weeks, will Dogecoin see a more of a correction, or will we rally up to that 43 cents level? Okay, so for those of you that do not follow Ollie Martinez, talking about Dogecoin in a crucial resistance level, talking about a sustained break above 40 cents will help maintain the bullish momentum and potentially push the price back up to 43 cents. However, if Dogecoin failed to break through 40 cents, it could trigger another major dip, possibly to even 36 or 34 cents. Now, that's where we look at Dogecoin multi-year high, 47.75, and that's kind of where that would be a horrible 29% loss to recent investors entering the fold. It's important to understand as we look into some of the data from Into the Block, there are a lot of Dogecoin traders that are into the money, and that's something that I do follow very closely. So that's something to keep in mind, all right? I don't think that necessarily the hodlers, if you will, within Dogecoin, if that includes you, great. Enjoying the ride. I do think that Dogecoin has a lot of those holders that just quite frankly don't care, and they just think that eventually it will break all-time highs once again, all right? But for me, I'm not really trading it. I'm surviving the market by believing in the fact that I think we are going to go higher. I think Bitcoin's set for an insane run, and I think that the way that historically we have seen the money flow, it does go from Bitcoin, altcoins, and meme coins, and that's where Dogecoin would obviously have its ascension, similar to what we've seen historically in 2017 and 2021. Now, Ali goes on to talk about, right, who will survive the Dogecoin dip would be rewarded, okay? Even warning about a likely 84% price correction before a major historical run could occur. I don't really agree with the 84% correction, but I do think that we have been running a little bit hot. It's not financial advice. I'll never tell you guys to buy or sell a crypto, but I do think there's an avenue where we do see some more loss and before we go up, okay? And that's something where it's happened to me time and time again, right? We have seen cryptos on a dip, and from there, guys, it has kind of resulted in panic selling. And then if you panic sell, you do miss out on the next run up. And that's something where, as Ali goes into talk about, if you can take part about the 9,000% to 30,000% parabolic rallies, you need to be able to survive the bigger corrections. Now, I agree with that. All right, it's important not to be emotional, but it's also important to do what's best for you in your financial situation. Okay, urging that everybody in the crypto world understands that every dip is a buying opportunity more so than a panic. I know that's kind of a common theme, a little bit overstated, but it is common sense. It is basically true. All right. And that's kind of where, Dogecoin hitting 50 cents, I'm not really against that. Okay. I think that there's a lot of market analysts in the same boat. I think Dogecoin is set up for a huge run. And couple that with what we have going on in the macro conditions, I think that another thing that needs to be talked about is the fact that we have seen a crypto entity within Valor, an asset manager within Dogecoin, looking to pioneer an ETF or an exchange-traded product, I should say an ETP, allowing some more exposure to investors in Sweden. So that's a big step for meme coins and Dogecoin alike if that ever does come to fruition, okay? But that's kind of Dogecoin on the day. Wanted to give you guys my thoughts. As always, guys, appreciate you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. Also, don't forget to check out that sign-up bonus and promotion that BYDFI has to offer. Links down below for BYDFI and Margex if you want to get started with those exchanges. Start trading today. And I appreciate you guys watching once again, giving me a couple minutes of your time. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you all tomorrow in the next video. Cheers.